Hi, welcome to Moose's Workshop. Halloween is now over. It's a couple days into November. We took the outside trains here and put them away for the year. Charging up the batteries, topping off stuff, covering them over, keep the dust and stuff off from inside the shop. And now we are moving back inside for our late fall winter project of the indoor railroad. It's DCC and regular DC. It is HO. It is all Petco track, code 83, nickel silver. As you can see, we got a lot to do. We got hills to finish. One over here. Stays pretty dust free in here, but we're still gonna dust. Haven't even been in the room yet. Gonna add some more switches. A couple over here. And one right down here. These are some old switches from somebody else's railroad. They never used them, so I'm gonna see about either selling them or trading them for what I need. I would like to get some roads started this year, but definitely have another decoder to put in for the turnouts. 4 of them. Got some more lighting to do. A little bit more on the roundhouse. I don't know if you can see, but one of the doors got broken. I was able to have Wathers, however you pronounce them. I'm deaf, don't forget. I had them able to ship me some replacement doors, so we're going to be putting those on. We're going to start painting these buildings over here. The building with all the cars on top of it, that is going to be an arcade. So, yeah, we got a lot to do. We got the skirting on last year from our friend Teresa. She did an awesome job of that. Also, the nice curtain up there. Another thing that finally happened after 12 years is we got our first patron supporter. We would like to thank Denny Freeman of Falcon One Photo. Thank you. Here's his Facebook page. I mean, not Facebook page, but his YouTube page. Thank you for your support. If anybody else would like to support us, it'd be awesome. We'll have the information in our description. All the money will go towards the railroads and the robots and all that fun stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We will be getting started here soon. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to hearing from all of you. Have a great day.